From the scary sounds of Nereid. To Earth's magnetosphere. These are the most scary sounds ever captured in space. Pulsars are dead stars, or more specifically, neutron stars, incredibly dense and spinning wildly. As these neutron stars spin, they emit beams of electromagnetic radiation out into space, which can be detected as pulses here on Earth. These pulsars are extraordinarily powerful and scary to listen to. When you hear the words Saturn's rings, you probably think of something beautiful and mesmerizing. But when NASA spacecraft actually dove through them, it recorded a sound that was actually very scary. When you think of a comet, you probably imagine a glowing ball of ice streaking across the sky and through the cosmos. But what if I told you that one particular comet sings? Sounds cool, right? Well, not when you actually hear it. The Orion Nebula is one of the most breathtaking sights in space, a cloud of gas and dust where new stars are born. But what if you could hear it? You've probably heard about Elon Musk's mission to Mars, and yes, he's making progress. But guess what scientists have discovered? Mars has quakes too, just like earthquakes on Earth. But on Mars, they're called Marsquakes. And now, we get to hear exactly what they sound like. You've probably heard of black holes, but did you know that there's something even bigger out there? Quasars, the brightest and most powerful objects in the universe. And if you could hear one, let's just say it's nothing you'd want to get close to. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, so it makes sense that its magnetic field is absolutely massive, around 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. Jupiter doesn't just pull in objects, it pulls in energy. But what's even more crazier, the sound it makes. Speaking of sounds, if you're enjoying this video, then make sure you give it a like and a subscribe. Neptune has 16 moons, but one of the strangest is Nereid. Unlike most moons, this one follows an unpredictable orbit. Sometimes it comes close to Neptune, and then sometimes it goes further away. Is it the result of its chaotic orbit, or is it something else? This scary sound makes Nereid one of the most mysterious moons in our solar system. Earth has a natural shield, which is called its magnetosphere, which protects us from the sun's powerful radiation and solar winds. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. But did you know that this shield has its own sound? Jupiter has a massive atmosphere, and one of its most intriguing layers is the Ionosphere, a region filled with charged particles that interact with solar radiation. This layer is so active that it produces its own scary sounds.